Hi guys, in this video you are going to learn how to use Whirlpool Voucher WTW4816FW3. So before starting the washer, you just have to make sure that both the hot and the cold water valves behind the machine are fully turned on. Also, you need to confirm the drain hose is installed correctly and the washer is plugged into the working outlet. After doing so, you just have to simply open the lid and place the clothes loosely inside the drum. Avoid stuffing everything tightly because the overloaded washers clean less efficiently and it can become unbalanced during spinning. After doing so, you just have to simply pour the recommended amount of laundry detergent directly into the washer tub. If you are using detergent pods, you can just simply place them at the bottom of the tub before adding the clothes. Using too much detergent can create excess foam and then reduce cleaning performance. After doing so, you just have to turn the knobs to choose the proper settings for your load size and the fabric type. So here, with the help of these buttons, you can adjust the load size, the water temperature, the wash cycle as well. So over here, you just have to simply select the normal or the heavy duty or dedicates or quick wash. The normal cycle is usually best for the regular everyday laundry. Afterwards, simply close the lid completely and pull or press the start button over here. So when you press the start button on your depending on your model version, the washer will first sense the load size before filling the water, and this is completely normal on the newer Whirlpool top load washers. This particular model uses an auto sensing system in order to determine how much water the load needs. Because of this, the washer may use less water than the older machines, and even if the clothes look only partially submerged. So that's how you can use it. Thank you.